So let's break this down. Part one is to stop. What do I mean by stop? Okay, I mean to essentially stop and think. All right, if you come upon an article that you think is going to be perfect for your research paper, just hold on for a second. Okay, take a look around. What do you know about this website? Do you know the publisher? Are you familiar with them? Okay, and is this overall a reputable site? All right, so for example, this is exactly what I mean. Which news source, based on what you know about it, would be more reputable? The New York Times or CNET networks? Okay, I want you to talk about this for a minute with your class. So hopefully, in terms of reputability, everyone is a little bit more familiar with the New York Times over CNET networks. And that's a really telling factor in terms of determining a source's credibility. What do you know about them? For me, I know that the New York Times is a very popular news information resource. And I know that they are very well researched, that they typically have experts speak to various current events, and I trust them overall. Okay, as opposed to CNET networks, not really sure who they are. I would have to definitely do some more digging, and I'm not going to be taking anything that they say at face value. Okay, I'm going to be a little skeptical when I hear about CNET networks just because I'm unfamiliar with them. And this is how you need to be thinking when you're researching. You need to be skeptical and you need to be questioning where the information is coming from. So that's the first step in determining a source's credibility, is to simply just stop and think about what you know about this source.